Hi, I'm here today in Canyon Lake on the south side of the lake with a brand new construction home. It is gorgeous. We are right here on Hillcrest Forest, directly across the road from boat route number 5 in Canyon Lake Forest and right up the street from Comount Park. So this home has an amazing lake view from the upstairs deck, and it's got a master upstairs and a master downstairs. So it's a total of 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Come on in and we'll take a look around at this beauty. Coming in through the front door, you can see this beautiful wide open floor plan. Right here is the living room off the front door. Take a look at this beautiful coffered ceiling and that giant ceiling fan to cool you off on these summer days at Canyon Lake. Take a look here into the kitchen and look at this beautiful brand new construction kitchen. No detail is left unturned. This is a pot filler there in the kitchen, and look at that gorgeous backsplash, beautiful colors. And that is the exit to the outside. Imagine your friends here at this home. So coming in again through the front door towards the kitchen, but this time we're going to go ahead and take a left, and this will be the downstairs primary suite. Take a look at this relaxing suite here and look at this coffered ceiling, different style of coffered ceiling, but beautiful as well. And on in to the primary bathroom right here on the first floor. We've got this tub shower combo with a beautiful tile, and then this beautiful stand-up shower. There's a separate closet in here and a separate commode area. Of course, we've got the dual vanity sinks. So at the top of the stairs, you find another primary suite right upstairs with an amazing lake view right outside the door on this covered deck. And take a look again, another coffered ceiling here with a beautiful ceiling fan. And this bedroom, of course, has the primary bathroom right off of the bedroom, and it has this gorgeous gold fixtures. It has a dual vanity, stand-up shower that's beautiful tile work. Step outside the master bedroom and see this gorgeous covered deck right outside. Beautiful view of Canyon Lake right in front of you, and another view of Canyon Lake over to the left-hand side, and gorgeous hill country view as a third view over to the right. It is such a great place to relax and enjoy Canyon Lake. Call me for more details.